Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you are new. For today's video, I kind of wanted to do a nice little simple holiday look. I posted a photo doing this look the other day on my Instagram. A couple people asked me to do a tutorial on this look. I want to throw a little disclaimer out there. I'm not good at eyeshadow, okay? This is one of the first real eyeshadow looks I've ever done. Didn't really know what I was doing, didn't really care, but you know what? It came out decent, it came out cute, and the lashes cover up any mistakes that I may have made. So I used the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I want to give a big shout out to my cousins for getting this for me. I really appreciate you guys and I love you so much. But yeah, I had a lot of fun doing this look. And without further ado, let's get into this video.
Holidays slipped away, time and place. I can't remember. So now she gonna put me in the drain. 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 You do good, go run my blame. Run my blame. Run my blame. Run my brain. Straight up shit can't run my brain. Run my brain. Run my brain. I do like.
Okay, so I did the right eye off camera. I just wanted to test it out because I wasn't sure how it was gonna come out, but I kind of like it. It's real simple, it's real cute. Keep it cute. So now I'm gonna do the left eye and see if I can recreate it. And if I can't, oh well. First I started with a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna put that on my eyelid. First use this shade right here. I'm gonna put this in my crease. Next, I'm going to use this shade right here. Then I use this really pretty burnt orange shade. To deepen up my crease a little bit, I'm going to use this dark brown right here. Last but not least, I'm going to use this really pretty gold right here. And now I'm gonna plop my other lash on. I'm not quite sure what the name of these lashes are, but I did get them from the beauty supply store. They're a little more on the dramatic side because, you know, I'm a dramatic ass female. Now I'm gonna move on to foundation. I'm gonna be using Maybelline Fit Me in shade 330 Toffee. This is one of my favorite drugstore foundations ever. I've literally been using this stuff since high school. First, I'm gonna prime my face with NYX Pore Filler. Now we about to highlight, so I'm going to be using the LA Pro Girl concealer in Cool Tan. Now I'm going to set my face with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder. Now I'm going to contour with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I'm going to do a little bit of blush. I'm going to use the Milani Blush and Rose Dioro O2 Boo Boo. And we have finally reached my favorite part of makeup. Highlight. Clearly, I love me some Anastasia Beverly Hills glow kits, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, I basically like to use all the shades. So I'm gonna just swirl a little bit, swirl. It's a little cringy, I know.
I do like myself when I'm doing my thing. Do my thing. Do my thing. Do my thing.
I'm gonna highlight my nose. My forehead a little bit. My chin. Now for my lips, I'm gonna be lining them first with the NYX Suede matte lip liner in the shade Downtown Beauty. Now for my lips, I'm going to be using Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Voyager. And that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this look. I hope it was easy to follow. Like I said in the beginning, I don't really know how to do eyeshadow. I'm practicing, I'm learning, so bear with me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure that you guys subscribe, turn on my post notifications so you never miss one of my videos.